Well, I ordered an Intellivsion on eBay in an auction. Paid a little more than I wanted to, but in the end, I guess I kind of made out. I looked at current pricings and stuff, and what I got is basically when you add all the things together, is I would have paid double what I actually paid, and that includes the shipping. And this $15.10 is not what I paid for shipping. I don't know what the deal is there, but I paid $12.95 for it. But whatever. And there's my name. But I wasn't expecting it till Friday. The date on it says Friday, if you look at it right there. But it came today, and I'm kind of happy about that. So I'm going to unbox this bad boy. Again, as I said in the last thing I posted, don't cut yourself. Oh, here we go. Let's see what's in here. Well, they did a nice packing job, it looks like. Oh, yeah. Throw that away. Throw that away. Oh, it's wrapped. It's wrapped. All right. Move this over. It's wrapped. Probably gonna end up dropping the damn thing. Bubble wrap. Who doesn't love bubble wrap? Kids don't love that. Now, I ordered it. The auction was Saturday, and I think I'm going to no longer do eBay auctions. If I buy anything from eBay, it's going to be pretty bluntly it's going to be just to buy it now. This tape is ridiculous. But I'd rather it be taped up, packaged really nice to keep it safe, than not. Don't cut yourself again. Okay. And what's nice in this, I don't have to worry about no frickin' Pokemon. Pokemon! You kids and your Pokemon. Boy. Ow. That's the yin yang. But anyway. I'm going to set the phone down here for a minute. Kaboom. There it is. I got me a genuine Intellivsion. Buddy of mine, shout out James Hathaway there. Buddy of mine, parents had one of these. Pretty good. Ooh. Now I saw one of these in a video game store, and the pad was shot. This looked pretty good. Reset button, on off. The only thing with these was, as you can see, if you develop any problems with these, you can't just buy a new controller and the fire buttons and plug it in, because it just don't work that way. AC adapter. Look at that. Mattel Electronics. Serial number. Looks to be in pretty good shape. Sorry about the junk shop there. It came with 15 games. And there they are, all boxed up. Awesome. I'm going to check this out later. See ya.